So welcome.
Thank you.
First of all, what is your impressions about today's event?
About
Today's event.
today, I just arrived. Just previous to my talk, I just landed, so I it's the first thing that I saw.
Interesting. Will you be here tomorrow?
Yes.
Great. So it was really an enlightening panel. I'd like to ask you, what is the role of creativity in reaching people's KPIs, brands' KPIs?
It's so crucial. I cannot say enough about it. First is to grab their attention. Attention is so scattered between thousands of messages and of stimulus that people have. So the first thing is to get the attention. That's the impact. Second is to engage with with the message or with the story. And thirdly, to insert into the story the brand idea so that the people are not interested in messages, people are not interested in brands, people are interested in themselves and in stories that make them feel something, make them react, make them do something that enhance their life. So creativity is the glue that does all this together.
So there is another question, like how do you ensure quality, especially in budget-tight situations? I mean, you talked about restricted universe. Can you just open that a bit?
The first question, the first aspect was
It was how do you ensure quality, especially in budget-tight situations?
well, I think budget constraint is one of the strongest impulses for creativity. When you have huge budget, you don't need so much to be creative because you can just brainwash people's mind with a stupid message. We don't do it anymore, but still, that's the case. When we have limited resource, we need to have a stronger idea, and this is where creativity. So creativity and the surprise is that the more you constrain the mind, the more the mind gets power. It's like think of the metaphor of a trumpet. If you ever play the trumpet, if you have to push the air into a huge tube, the sound will be very poor. But because the sound is funneled, the air is funneled to a very narrow place, and you focus it strongly, then the sound is huge. That's the same what creativity is. The more you constrain it in the right way, the more it has power.
Great. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.